This video is one in a series that demonstrates the TechCanary Agency Management System, a cloud-based application built natively on the Salesforce platform that adapts to your way of doing business. TechCanary is a unified AMS that supports all lines of business, with user-configurable automated workflows, real-time analytics built on the Complete Accord and CSIO data models, built-in CRM functionality, support for all browsers, mobile devices, and communication channels, and over 3,000 pre-integrated add-on apps. This video demonstrates a sample of the rich and actionable analytics the TechCanary AMS provides owners of insurance agencies and brokerages to run their business more efficiently, productively, and profitably. In this video, I will start with the Owner Analytics dashboard and drill into retentions, claims by policy type, business by carrier, and an individual client record, and I'll take some actions along the way based on my findings. In this video, I will start with the Owner Analytics dashboard and drill into retentions, claims by policy type, business by carrier, and an individual client record, and I'll take some actions along the way based on my findings. As an insurance business owner, when I first log into the system displays my dashboard. From here, I can use the tabs at the top to go directly into my accounts, quotes, policies, and other key functions that I'll demonstrate later. Or I can do a global search for something specific, and the system will display all relevant results, much like Google search. Each dashboard is configurable, and I've configured my dashboard to display my tasks for the day, events for the day, and key business metrics. In the right column, an assistant alerts me if there is anything needing my attention, such as opportunities or tasks that are past due, and recent events that are of interest, such as closed opportunities. And finally, key business metrics that are important to me, such as my sales pipeline, type of business I am closing this month, open invoices, and cancellations by producers. For any of these, I can click on View Report and drill into more detail. Before I go to my tasks for the day, I want to check in on the health of my business by looking at some additional dashboards and reports. First, I want to look at my retention dashboard. This displays a variety of analytics regarding policy retention by policy count, premium, revenue lost, source, such as Google search, and producer, just to name a few. Again, these are configurable to what matters to you. I can hover over the graphic to get more detail. For example, that 13 policies have canceled, but 65 are still active for an 83% retention rate. Now I want to understand where we are losing business to see if I can identify any trends that I can do something about. So I click on the Canceled slice of the graph, which takes me to a detailed report that lists the policies that have been canceled by carrier, producer, policy type, and the value of the premium lost. In this report, I see that my producer, Alan Smith, has lost a Mercury policy that had a premium of over $8,000. I want to check in with Alan to understand what happened. So I click on Alan's name, which will bring up Alan's details. I can email Alan directly from here, or I can create a task for myself to talk to Alan at a later time. Next, I want to investigate a couple of areas that could impact my relationship with carriers. First, I want to see if any policy types have a high number of claims that might impact my agency's loss ratio and discourage carriers from doing business with me. So I go to my Claims by Policy Type report. I see that I have several claims for commercial property and personal auto, but they look a bit old, so I want to filter the data to just show this year. And when I do, I see that I have no claims this year, so there is nothing for me to worry about, which is great. Next, I want to make sure my business is healthy across my various carriers and that I am meeting my career commitments. So I will look at my Payables by Carrier report. This report shows the premiums by carrier, minus commissions. If your agency has premium goals to meet with specific carriers, you can configure this report to highlight those you need to write more business with. I can also change the graph style to whichever one is more useful to me. Now, let's return to my tasks for the day. I need to schedule a call with a key client, Alpha Trucking, that has several policies with us, some of which are due for renewal, and to whom I want to show some special attention. So I click on the task, enter the Alpha Trucking account record, review the recent activity with this client, and review the status of their quotes. Using our integration with communications products, I can make a call or text directly from within TechCanary. I enter my communications system, which is Ring Central, enter my text to Fred at Alpha Trucking, and once I get Fred's response, I create an activity to call him tomorrow. And you will note in the account record that my interchange with Fred was automatically logged. As you can see, the TechCanary Agency Management System provides a single system from which you can manage your business your way. To learn more about how TechCanary can help your agency be more productive, watch some of our other videos, visit the TechCanary.com website, or talk to a TechCanary expert at 414-446-3999, or email sales@techcanary.com.